Hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and this is a very simple comparison between the cheapest color pencil sets that I could find in a market near me, and let's start with the Faber-Castell one. This is the Faber-Castell Bicolor pencils. As you can see, there are two pencils attached together, so the total number of pencils is actually 12, but you get 24 colors with it. I made a detailed review of these pencils and I'll leave a link to that in the description. And now let's move on to unboxing the Domes pencil set. These are just a normal Domes color pencil set and not the super soft core ones that I compared recently. And as you can see, inside this package it has the pencil extender and also it comes with a sharpener, which is really nice. And now moving on, let's unbox the Natraj 12 color pencil set. And I don't know if you have heard of this name before, but it's quite popular in my area. And as you can see, the package comes with a color chart. It gives you hints on what colors to mix to get the colors that you want, and I think that's quite useful. This set also comes with a sharpener. Now let's move on to the Kamlin color pencils. Unlike the other two color pencil set, this one doesn't come with any container of any sort, it just came with the cardboard, and this also has a sharpener inside it. Now let's swatch each one of them and let's see how they perform. Starting with these pencils, Faber-Castell is a very well-known brand, so you can expect some great things from these pencils even though they are cheap, because they are quite hard, they are rich, intense, and also they can give you the darker values that you want in your color pencils. I have used these pencils in one of my previous videos and I'll leave a link to that in the description box as well, just so you can see how well these pencils can perform. In my opinion, these pencils are quite great for beginners because you get that intensity, you get that richness, and also you get it for a cheaper price. When I sharpened these pencils, the nib broke off and also it got stuck inside the sharpener, which I didn't expect from these pencils. And also while I was swatching with these pencils, they broke off like crazy. Just watch. When I was blending these pencils together, I realized that these pencils are not intense and they are not saturated, and also they produce a lot of dust around, and I think that's going to get your drawing dirty. I don't think it works best for beginners, but if you have a bigger set of this exact same brand, then do let me know how yours work in the comment section. With these pencils, when I sharpened them with the sharpener that came with this set, it did sharpen to a very fine point and the lead didn't break that much. When I was swatching these pencils, I realized that they are quite easy on your hands because they are so soft, and also the colors are quite intense and rich and darker. And when I was blending these pencils, it was so easy to blend, it was so easy to get that smooth transition between colors, and I like these pencils so far. When I was sharpening these pencils with the sharpener that came with this set, I think it didn't sharpen to a very fine point. I don't know why, maybe it's because of the sharpener. And when I was swatching these pencils produce a little bit of dust, so that might make your drawing look dirty. And also the colors are quite saturated. They are not so pale. And when I blended these pencils together, they did blend beautifully and I could get some nice gradients with these pencils. Even though I didn't put a lot of effort into blending them, I can get a nice gradient. Finally, results time. In my opinion, the first place goes to Domes because it is soft, intense and saturated, and also it's easy on your hands. If you're a beginner, you're going to love it. The second place goes to Faber-Castell Bicolor pencils, and that's because of only one reason, and that is it's quite hard on your hands. Other than that, it is on par with the Domes pencil in my opinion. I like these pencils. So if you're a beginner, you can either choose between Domes or Faber-Castell. The third place goes to Natraj because it is quite okay in my opinion, and the final place, fourth place, goes to Kamlin because I hated that set. Maybe it's just my set or the brand behaves the same. If you have any bigger set of the same Kamlin brand, then do let me know how yours work because I'm so curious. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do give this a big thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And don't forget to watch my previous video where I compared the Apsara Premium color pencils with Dome's super soft core color pencils. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye everybody. Take care.